All right, it is Free Driveway Friday. Let's go do a driveway for free. It's a long way away. Right there. So my neighbors, Miss Dorris and Miss Yana, they live there. They're two older ladies, and the HOA is all over everybody about their driveways. And they're always super nice to us. They always give us food and candy for the kids and all that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna shut up. I'm not gonna show you all the pre-treatment and all that. I'm just gonna do the pre-treatment, and then I get to mess with all my new surface cleaner and all that. And they have a big driveway, so I'm gonna wait till that came in. So I'm gonna do that, and then y'all can just watch me clean, and I'll shut up. I know I said I was just gonna let y'all watch. I always hit the lines here. With my flat one, I have to hit it this way, and I have to turn around and hit it this way. Dude, with that turbo nozzle, and not just because they gave it to me, y'all, this thing, I just held it straight up in front of it. It was going like this. I blazed this entire driveway in literally just a few minutes. Absolutely game changer. Go buy one. All right, let's play with a big boy. I forgot to show the finished product the other day. Y'all know what that is. Oh yeah, look at those curbs. Did it Friday, it is Monday. Look how white it is. Oh yeah, looking good. Looking good. Let me get out of the road. Cars are coming. Other side. Oh my. What a douchebag maneuver. Keep it clean, y'all. Keep it clean.